Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making access and minimizing mess. First, park level, set the brake, and chock the wheels so nothing shifts. Once safe, drain the oil to about 1/2 inch below the rod hole. This prevents oil spray while you work. Make sure to use an approved container. Next, loosen oil pan bolts in a crisscross pattern, support the pan with a low jack, and lower it carefully so you can see the rod hole area clearly. Now, you must find exactly where oil escapes and prepare surfaces for a reliable repair. Spray the area with brake cleaner and dry it thoroughly. Oil hides in tiny crevices, so wipe until the metal looks clean. Then inspect the rod, bearing cap, and surrounding surfaces for cracks, scoring, or old sealant gaps. This tells you whether you need part replacement. Once identified, remove all old gasket or sealant and sand the mating surfaces with 320 grit to create a clean, slightly rough surface for new sealant to grab. To finish, apply a continuous bead of high-temperature anaerobic sealant to the mating surface. Avoid gaps and overlap beads slightly, because continuity matters. Reinstall the oil pan and torque bolts in the specified sequence to the manufacturer value. Uneven torque causes new leaks. Refill the oil to the correct level, then run the engine and observe for 5 to 10 minutes while checking the repair. If you still see seepage, retorque in sequence, and if necessary, inspect and replace the rod bearing or seal. This fixes persistent failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.